manok nga dapat silaw na kastanay.
Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening sa mansulok sa mundo guys. Yan, ito naman ngayon ay ang aking linoto guys ay pork with eggplant and red pepper. Yan guys, yummy. Yan. Yummy guys. Delicious. Salap. Rapsa guys. Pork binagungan. Yan. Pork binagungan guys. Yan. Yan. Oh. Yan guys. Pork. With red pepper. Ilocano dish guys. Thanks for watching. Yan. Ilocano dish. Thank you. Hello, good morning, good afternoon sa mansulok sa mundo guys. Ito na yung finished product, yung aking luto kanina na pork binagungan na may eggplant and pepper, red pepper. Yummy guys. It's so delicious. Yummy. Thanks for watching. Ilocano this. Yan. Talong guys. Na may bagong. At saka pimiento rojo. Pimientong pula. Yummy. Yan. Yan. Thanks for watching.